During the process journey from grain to drop, target is to use production techniques which protect natural characteristics of olive in the most delicious, healthy, and top quality taste and with least loss. Polat Makina adds value to the effort and endeavor of olive growers and processors, developing olive oil manufacturing technology. Olive oil is valuable. We add value to our values. Polat Makina. As per climate conditions and geography, Turkey is located in a region where the best and finest quality olives are grown. Geographical advantage shall increase our competitive capacity in the world, along with the use of right and correct growing, picking, and pressing techniques. Most important factors which increase the productivity of olive fields are maintenance, plowing, good timed pruning, and agricultural spraying. Mechanized harvesting prevents olives from being damaged during the picking operations and makes it possible to obtain maximum production each year. Technology increases the productivity. With practice and experience of 45 years and using the advanced technology, Polat Makina has been manufacturing continuous system olive oil machineries and superb quality machineries in its production facilities, having 40,000 square meters indoor area. Polat Makina has been conducting all of its activities in accordance with the international standards of corporate management, customer satisfaction, social responsibility understanding, and environmental protection principles. Increasing the quality is possible only using the right methods, exactly same as in the olive picking techniques. In order not to increase acidity values of olives, their contact with soil must be avoided, and olives must be collected in proper olive harvesting boxes, where they can breathe and be carried without being crushed. Now Olive's journey quickly starts with their entry into the production plant, where they will be pressed. The shorter the time between picking and pressing, the higher will be the nutritional value in olive oil and its quality. Polat Makina has designed its continuous system pressing in sizes and tonnages proper to every requirements, so that the olive growers and processors can make very special pressings according to their own recipes and methods. The main purpose of an olive oil production plant is to obtain oil from olives at a maximum productivity level, to minimize energy costs, to carry out the production under hygienic conditions, to achieve better quality and longer lifespan for olive oil, and for sure also to use the pressing methods which will cause less damage to the environment. Polat Makina enriches its practice and experience of 45 years with research and development studies. Parts machined on metal cutting line and on CNC benches are subjected to quality control at all process steps. Production is thoroughly controlled from the incoming raw material up to the finest process step. When the olives first arrive to the production plant in the raw material state from the nature, their first contact point through which they will enter into the system is the olive band conveyor and the olive washing machine. This point enables olives to reach, after having been purified from all the environmental factors and in the most healthy way to this point, where they will be crushed. With the help of screen vibration, olives are washed and separated from unwanted foreign objects such as stones, gravel, mud, etc. The machine, manufactured completely from stainless steel, purifies olives from all kinds of environmental factors. Now it is time for the olive to give its oil. All surfaces of the olive crushing machine which have contact with olives are made of stainless steel, and the olive crushing machine does not create any heat increase by the help of its movable hammer system and specific shredder blades. Polat Makina uses the reducers manufactured by the Polat Group Reducer Company on all its machinery, and the Polat Reducer Company is a member of the Polat Group of companies. These reducers, having a high lifespan, are under the assurance of the Polat Group Reducer Company. Now, olives coming out from the crusher are in the state of a paste. It is consisted of independent from each other. Olive paste is heated by the help of water, circulating inside the water jacket around the boxes, and homogenized by the mixer helix. Each section of the malaxing, which have been prepared completely in the modular form, have a standard volume of 0.7 cubic meters. High productivity is achieved as all of the surfaces contacting the olive paste are made of stainless steel in accordance with the Food Codex, and each of the boxes are separately heated and driven, as it is equipped with a PLC control and inspection cover and washing arrangements, and with the special mixers having water flow adjustment devices. The healthiest product coming from nature must be processed, of course, in a way not to damage nature. The amount and pollution properties of the wastewater, which occurs during the olive oil production processes, represent variations depending on the production method and technology used in the production plant. Decanters of Polat Makina have the property of 2- and 3-phased operations. The 2-phase centrifugal process has advantages from water and energy consumption aspects, as it has no water requirement. Respects the environment, as the amount of wastewater created during its operation is less and its polluted load is very low. The electrical load is less and wastewater is removed easily. Decanters of Polat Makina can be operated also in 3-phased mode. However, the water output channel, which is adjusted according to the 2-phased operation system as a requirement of the environmentally friendly production, needs to be opened, and then it can be used without necessity for any other additional parts. Oil and prena contents in the paste, which is delivered from the paste pump, are separated by the help of centrifugal forces. A scraper system has been developed on the front part of the drum in order to prevent prema accumulation on the output surfaces of the drum. Oil is now at the last stop in the continue plant. The separator, which has been manufactured from proper material according to the Food Codex, makes it possible to process high amounts of oil by the help of an automatic shocking system. Now oil is in its purest state. It has perfect operation, especially by the help of its drum, manufactured from forged duplex material. Correct material, faultless assembly, quality control at all production steps, perfect operation. Polat Makina. We must be very careful, as much as the value which we give to the olive oil on each production steps during its journey from grain to drop. We must process these holy fruits given us by the nature in a way so that they can protect all of their characteristics. We respect people. We respect nature. We respect manufacturers. And above all, we respect the environment. Peroxide values of oil produced in the two-phase production process, which is a condition of environmentally friendly production, and its polyphenol values are high. As its lipid oxidation values are low, its shelf life will be longer. It is possible to reach the traditional taste with cold pressing processes in two-phase production. We design according to the requirements and manufacture according to the standards. The target is to convert olives into oil in a way so that they protect all of their characteristics, along with the entire process starting from the olive harvesting from fields and extending up to the olive oil's journey in bottles. Target is to use the advanced technology for human health. Target is to develop technologies which respect the environment. Olive oil is valuable. We add value to our values. Polat Makina.